Hello everyone and welcome to our group presentation on our web development project. Today we walk you through the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code for a tourist-focused website titled Visit Malaysia. This project is designed as a single-page web application that introduces Malaysia highlight for travelers, including popular destination, fun activity, helpful travel tips, and a contact form to reach us. This site uses internal CSS for styling and a small jQuery script to enable dynamic navigation without full page reloads. We divide our explanation into three parts. Each of us will present and explain one major aspect of the code in detail. This is our group member. Hi, I am the first speaker, and I start by covering the foundational structure of the website and the navigation system. The HTML document type begins with the type HTML declaration to specify the HTML5 version. Inside the head tag, we set metadata like character encoding responsive viewport setting, the page title, and the internal CSS using a style block. The body of the website starts with a header tag containing a center site title Visit Malaysia. This visually anchors the page. Below the header, we have a nav element, which contains a div with class navbox. Inside there is an unordered list UL of navigation items styled with the class drop-down. Each item is an anchor tag that doesn't link to a new page. Instead, it has a data page attribute pointing to an internal section. This allows you to use JavaScript or jQuery in this case to show and hide parts of the page dynamically. It's an efficient way to simulate a multi-page experience within a single HTML file.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Irina Bacisha, membership number 01DDT23F1121. So, I'm the second speaker and I will go through the content section embedded in the web page. So, these sites have 5 primary sections, which is home, destination, activity, travel tips, and contact. So, the home section include a brief description of Malaysia tourism appeal and an embedded iframe that load content from the official Tourism Malaysia website. It's a nice way to add live content without duplicating data. So the destination section offers a bulleted list of top travel spots in Malaysia, such as Kuala Lumpur, Langkawi, Penang, and Borneo. There is also an embedded Lonely Planet guide that gives users more in-depth travel ideas. The activity section is visually focused. It contains 4 highlighted activities like diving in Sipadan and hiking Mount Kinabalu. Each activity has an image and a short description beneath it. These images are styled for aesthetic using rounded border and center alignment. The travel tips section offers important advice for travelers. Tips include respecting local custom, preparing for tropical weather, trying local food, and using public transportation. There's another Lonely Planet iframe included here too. So finally, the contact section, it includes a user-friendly form for visitors to submit inquiries. The form captures name, email, and a message, and it's styled with padding, background color, and rounded corner to make it more appealing and readable. And that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zahira Insanishma binti Salman and my membership number is F1087. So now, I'm the last person who's going to explain about the second project And now I'm going to explain how we start the website and made it interactive, which is the title is Styling with CSS and Dynamic Behavior using JavaScript. So the styling is handled entirely within the style tag in the head section, which includes body layout, header, footer, and also the footer design, and any other specific classes for navigation menus, form elements, and image presentations. We use consistent color theme such as 006699 and 004466 for headers and menus, which not only look professional but reflect the tropical tones of Malaysia. So each navigation link is styled with padding and hover effects, which will improve the user interaction. Images are styled to be centered with rounded corners for a friendly visual tone. And also for the interactivity, we include JQ at the end of the body. The script runs when the document is ready and shows only the home section by default. When a user clicks a navigation link, the script hides all sections and fades in the one that matches the data page attribute. So basically, this will make the website feel responsive and also smooth without full page reloads. So this script helps us mimic the behavior of a more complex single page SPA without using framework like React or Vue, which it is more simple but way more effective for a small to a medium project. So that's all from us. Thank you. Tak payah thank you lagi, ada Q&A. Kau kenapa? So here we're gonna have a Q&A session. So the first question, why did your team choose to create a single page website instead of using multiple HTML files? So basically we choose a single page design for simplicity and performance, but the main reason is because it is easier to maintain and the user experience is smoother because content updates dynamically without page reloads. That's the main purpose, without any reloads and loading and so on, which take a long time for the user to use our website. So no, that's a no. But actually it is also more engaging for users browsing on mobile devices. So in the next question, can this website be made responsive for mobile device? Obviously, it already includes the viewport meta tag and use flexible layout technique. So for full responsiveness, we could enhance the CSS further using media query. So there will be no what can we say? There is no such thing that it can be used on the mobile device. It can be used on any devices that our user have. So that's all from us. Thank you.